Hi guys, how are y'all? So I just wanted to pop on and give you a few updates about online learning, when it's going to end, what I know about returning your laptops, and if you have any more questions, just send them to me and I will try to post another video with all of the questions that y'all send me. So here are a few updates. Online learning updates. Laptop turn-in is May 25th through the 29th. So you will need to take your laptop back up to FIR and turn it in, or they will be hunting you down. So go ahead and do that. If you have any friends that are seniors, their laptop turn-in is the week before the 25th through the 29th, but this is the week that you will be turning in your laptops, the 25th through the 29th. So obviously, you only have 2 weeks left because we are trying to get y'all to turn in your laptops on the 25th. So we only have 2 weeks left this week. Well, that's including this week and next week. This week, you will have 2 lessons. Next week, you will only have 1 lesson, and I'm going to give y'all time to catch up and kind of do what you need to do. But yeah, that I don't know what the laptop turn-in is going to look like. I don't know if you're going to have to go in or they're going to meet you at your car and do like curbside. I do not know. When I do know, I will update y'all. So for this week, lesson 11 is poetry again. It is our last time. It is very simple. I have you watch a video, I give you a piece of text, and you kind of base your poem off of that. Lesson 12 is a letter, super simple. You talk about me and all of my glory. It's really fun. I do this every year with my students. And then like always, lesson 11, the first lesson that you have this week needs to be complete by Wednesday. I will probably also be contacting your parents for those of you who have missing work throughout that you've just done lessons here and there. I'm going to give you time to make up those lessons, so I would really appreciate if you did that. So yeah, let's go over this week. All right, so here is your Google Classroom, and the link to this video should be right here, right? So then we're going to go to lesson 11. It is called If I Should Have a Daughter/Son. So what you're going to do is you can either read or watch the poem. The poem is it stops at 3 minutes and 38 seconds. You don't have to watch after that. And so in the thing, she uses these sentence stems. If I should have a daughter, she's going to learn. And what you're going to do is you are going to make your own poem modeling the one that you watch or read off of those sentence stems, right? I think that if you need help on this, there will be an explanation video right here that I will help you explain things that you can write in each section. So if you need help on lesson 11, definitely go and watch the explanation video that will be right here at the top of the assignment. So all of that is linked there. And then lesson 12 is right here. And basically, you are going to write a letter to my students next year. So I guess the freshmen now, the incoming sophomores, telling them everything you know, they need to know about me. So I kind of give you examples about what you can write about me, how I teach, things that they should do, things that they shouldn't do, fun facts, literally anything. But I do need you to look right there. I need it to be at least 7 sentences, like a good, solid letter. All right. And then you can start typing right here. I even addressed it for you. Make sure you sign it from Chelsea Salyer. But yeah, 7 sentences. So that is our this week, and next week it'll be a short week. We will only have 1 lesson. I'll probably send out a survey. I do miss you guys so much, even though you all get on my nerves. I really do miss y'all. I'm so sad that this is how our year ended. Please know that I am always here. If you need anything, let me know and I will try to help you get it. Bye guys.